guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my makeup and skincare haul, spring 2025. I do have quite a lot of products to show today. It's mostly skincare actually. It's just things that I've been collecting over the last few months, some things I've had for Christmas. So this is my spring makeup and skincare haul. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm starting off with face masks. So I actually had a face mask set for Christmas and some individual masks as well. So I have 3 of the Garnier Vitamin C Brightening and Glow Boosting Serum Mask. This is actually one of my favourite face masks that I've ever used. It really brightens and glows and refreshes my face. The Garnier masks are some of the best. Then I have this Hyaluronic Aloe Replumping Serum Mask. I don't even know if I've tried this. I'm not sure. I don't think I've tried this one. This is the AHA and BHA Charcoal Mattifying Serum Mask. Don't think I've tried that one, so that's pretty cool. And I can't remember if I've tried this either. This is the Garnier Pro-Retinol Smoothing Serum Mask. I'm not sure if I've tried it, but anyway, I absolutely love Garnier masks, so I got those. Had some more simple micellar water boost wipes. These are the only face wipes that I use. They're the only good ones. I absolutely love them. Picked up a Hollister. I had this for Christmas. Hollister Pure Cali Body Mist. I love the smell on this. I actually had this for Christmas as well. This was a set by Boots. It's the Boots Collagen Youth Activating Serum and the Boots Collagen Youth Activating Eye Serum. So I'm excited to use those. I also had this Nivea Hydro Care Lip Balm with SPF 15 and the Eucerin Acute Lip Balm. This is so good for super dry lips. I then had a few simple face washes. So I had the Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash and the Refreshing Facial Wash Minis. These are perfect for traveling. Then I had this L'Oreal Fine Flowers Gel Cream Wash. I've mentioned this so many times on my channel. This is by far the best facial wash ever. It does such a good job removing makeup and cleaning your face, and it is so good for dry skin. It's really moisturizing. I then also had this for Christmas. This is the CeraVe Reparative Hand Cream for dry and rough hands. I do get dry hands during the winter months, so I'm really excited to try this. I also got this mini Nivea Anti-Perspirant Pearl and Beauty mini antiperspirant. This is for traveling. It's really good. I've used it before and I like it. Now I actually only have 2 makeup related things, and I actually had this for Christmas too. This is the Clinique MVP's Essentials set. So it has an eye cream, a moisturizer, a facial cleansing mousse, an eyeliner and a mascara. So that's really cool. These are so pricey and Clinique is such a good quality brand. I really like Clinique. And then I actually had this for free. So when you shop in Boots, usually if you spend over a certain amount you get a free gift, and I actually had this free gift. This is the Boots Beauty Heroes gift set thing. So it has a Rimmel Extra Super Lash Lengthening Mascara, a Revolution Highlight, an Essie nail polish, a white nail polish, a Collection Color Lash Clear Mascara. I've never actually used a clear mascara. Maybe I'll use it for my brows. And then finally the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. I actually have this e.l.f. blending brush and it's a really good brush for applying foundation. So this is really good. Like, to have this free, it's worth over £30 and I've had it for free. So that's pretty cool. So that's that. Oh, and I have a few more makeup items too. I have this Collection Filter Finish Liquid Wand Contour in the shade Light. You know me, I love a cream contour lately. I've been loving the Charlotte Tilbury one and the e.l.f. Halo Glow. So this was really affordable. I think this was like $3.99. And I saw a few people using it on TikTok, so I thought, why not give it a try? So I'm excited to try that out. And then my final things are nail polishes. They're actually gel polishes. So I only use Miley gel nails. So I do a lot of my nails at home and I use Miley gel colors. And I have the nail lamp and everything. So I picked up some more. It was actually like on offer on the Miley website. So I have the shade Primrose Hill, which looks like a lilac shade. Then I have Vintage Rose, which looks like a mauve, like a bit darker than the other shade, like a mauvey, purpley, pinky shade. Then I have this like peachy, pinky shade, which is the Missing Pink. That looks like a really cool, bright shade. Then I have this Mars Rock shade, which is more of a rosy red, like not red, but like a muted rose color. And the final one I have is a nice pale blue, and this one is Sky Dive. So I picked up those. So that literally was a whistle-stop tour of everything that I've picked up over the last few months, or things that I've had for Christmas, skincare and makeup wise. So yeah, that was everything. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.